Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Hey everyone! The brand new OnePlus Ace 5 is almost here, and it's amazing! Get ready for a super fast and awesome phone. The OnePlus Ace 5 has arrived. Let's talk about how powerful this phone is. It has a super fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and up to 12 GB of RAM. That means it can run any game or app super smoothly, even if you have lots of things open at once. It also has really fast storage and a great graphics card. Look at this amazing screen. It's a big 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. It has a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look super smooth, and Dolby Vision, which makes the colors look amazing. It's perfect for playing games or watching videos. The cameras on this phone are awesome too. It has 3 cameras on the back, a 50MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. You can take amazing pictures of anything, and the 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies. And the battery? It's huge! It's a 6415 mAh battery, and it charges super fast with 80W SuperVOOC charging. You can even use it to charge your other devices. So, when can you get one? The OnePlus Ace 5 should be available starting December 26, 2024, and it will cost around Rs50,000. Get ready for the future of phones. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos. See you next time.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.